So what is meant by building construction tools and machinery supplier business? Basically in this business you are going to rent tools like a concrete vibrator or machinery like a concrete mixer to a construction site for their construction purpose. So basically you are just providing your equipment, or I will say that a machineries to required site and getting paid by the rent. So basically who is your client? The answer is very clear. Every builder, engineer or private or government contractor or a simple person who basically need a machinery or tools for their construction work are your clients. So do I need any kind of registration for this business? At the initial stages I will say that no, but when you start your office or a shop, in that case yes, registration of shop or a company is mandatory. The mandatory registration is that registration of your machineries. So if you are going to buy any kind of construction machinery, so in that case you need to register that one. So that are kind of registration you need to fulfill for this business. Now the best thing about this business, there is no need of any kind of education to run this business, but yes, at least 1 year of minimum 1 year of site construction experience is required to understand basically what kind of equipment, tools and plants are required at site. So yes, at least 1 year of experience of construction site is required for this business. Now let's talk about skill set. Basically a very important factor is you need to know or the knowledge of construction stages, basically what's going on construction side. Then the second topic is study of construction tools and machineries, because you are going to provide that machineries or that tool, so you need to understand what are the basic uses of that machinery or tools. The next important factor is study of local market. Basically in your local market what kind of machinery or tools are required at construction site, so this comes under the study of local market. Then a very common skill set is communication for setting up a network in market. Now let's talk about investment. I will say that at the initial stages there is no need to set up office for this business. So office setup is not mandatory for initial stages, but yes, there are some investment requirement which you cannot avoid, and that are purchasing equipment, instrument, tools or machinery that you are going to rent. Okay, so the next investment is storage of tools or clear space for parking your machineries. Now the final investment is that you need to regularly invest or the maintenance of that tools or machinery. So how much you can earn from this business? The earning may vary with the following factor: business location, competition in your sector, quality of tools or machinery you are providing to your client. But I can assure that minimum 5 to 10,000 you can earn from each machineries or at each site. So like our last two videos, I will say that in developing countries like India there is no need to worry about future scope for this business, because people are going to demand building construction machineries or tools for various minor or major projects. So there is no need to worry about future scope. But yes, I will say that this business is a part-time business at initial level. After some positive response you can treat it as a primary business.